We have always drawn cars which were aggressive. We have always drawn cars which were sharp. Back then, when we looked at our drawings, we thought, none of this is going to come on paper. But that was the part of our growing. Today that we have grown, I am here with a product which is as aggressive as what I used to draw throughout my life, which is as sharp as what I used to draw throughout my life. What I am here right now with is a product from Hyundai, and it is the most aggressive and the most stylish and the most futuristic i20. Welcome to Motorize once again. Subscribe to our channel so that you get all such videos on time every time, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get notified also. Now let me turn your attention again to ever brilliant, ever sexy, ever futuristic i20. The all new i20, and you know that this is far more aggressive and futuristic design. Up front, now you will get all new LED headlamps with LED DRLs flanked by projector fog lamps below. The grille is all new too. While it is hexagonal, it is not in your face design like what we have seen in other Hyundai cars. And Hyundai calls this grille parametric dual pattern grille. There is also sloping stance to the car up front, and the power lines on the bonnet bring in a lot of character up front. Just like any other Hyundai product, you will fall in love with this diamond cut design over here. I particularly loved this shoulder line which runs all the way from front of the car to the rear. It really gives strong character to this i20. There is an interesting flyback chrome beltline design that highlights the sporty stance of the car. And the Z-shaped LED tail lamps lit up beautifully in the night. Overall, this is amongst the best looking i20 that Hyundai has designed, and truly urban, which will appeal the youth in you. That is where actually the i20 is targeted at. Overall, to wrap this design, this new design language is a derivation of Hyundai's new design philosophy, aptly called as sensuous sportiness. This new design language adopted by Hyundai is a culmination of 4 elements: proportion, architecture, styling and technology. Step inside and you will fall in love with what you see. It feels very European in design now. The AC vents run end to end aka the Passat style. The 10.25-inch HD floating center screen is the highlight of the center console, which comes with navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, apart from Hyundai's connected tech, the Blue Link. The 4-spoke steering wheel is the same one we saw for the first time in the new Creta, and behind the steering wheel is Hyundai's digital cluster display with TFT, which is amongst the best in the segment. It's a Hyundai, so the list of features are going to be class leading, and i20 is no different here. You get a wireless charger, OxyBoost air purifier, electric sunroof, premium audio setup powered by Bose, ambient lights, 6 airbags and much more. There is not one, not two, but 25 first and best features in the new i20. While the i20 owners are going to be mostly in the front seats, but let's look at the rear. The seat and comfort out here is outstanding. This new i20 is longer and wider with longer wheelbase that frees up a lot of space at the rear. And now the i20 is as spacious as the Jazz on the rear. The Jazz, by the way, was the segment benchmark. Speaking about engine options, the i20 is offered with wide range of powertrains to choose from. There is a 1-liter turbo petrol, there is a 1.2-liter natural aspirated Kappa engine that we all know, there is a 1.5-liter diesel engine too. The 1-liter petrol generates 120 PS of power, the 1.2-liter engine generates 88 PS of power, and the 1.5-liter diesel churns out 100 PS of power. Interestingly, there are quite interesting gearbox combinations also. So now that we have seen the i20, the interiors, the exteriors, and now that we know it is a far more aggressive product, while we have not driven it right now because the car is just launched, we think that Hyundai has a stellar product on its hand now. This is a product that will once again ride the way this segment should be, and we have no doubts at Motorized that this product will once again become a segment benchmark. So whom is this product really for? Well, if you are in your 30s and if you are someone looking out for a hatchback, and premium hatchback for that matter, this is the right product for you. This is something that is feature loaded as usual as any other Hyundai. This is something which will drive well because this comes with an options of a DCT and a turbo petrol, and this variant right now that I'm standing at, this I think will be off the shelf immediately, and you will be someone who will be right now standing outside the showrooms to buy this product. So on that note, thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel if you have not done yet. Do hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever next videos come in. Till that time, stay safe, stay home, take care.